Hello, good evening, everyone. Please, if you can hear me, let me know on the chat section, please. We are about to start. Kindly copy the link to your WhatsApp, share on your status, invite them. It's already 9 o'clock, and we are about to start. I can see 14 persons are already joined this particular training. Please, if you can hear me, let me see your hands on the comment section if you can hear me, please. If you can hear me, please let me know on your TikToks. Good evening and welcome. If you can hear me, please let me know. If you can hear me, if you can hear me, let me know. Please let me just give like 10 minutes for others to join. We have 19 persons who are live already. My name is Njasi Chiabuotu. As you can see already, my slides are ready. Please, if you can hear me, please give me a thumbs up on the comment section. If you can hear me, please give me a thumbs up on the comment section. If you can hear me, please give me a thumbs up on the comment section. Okay. I can see you, Michael or Luchukwu. I can see you, Fortune. This is 9 already. We have 21 persons who are here. It is going to be a very interesting night for us to learn on how you can be able to utilize AI in 2025 and beyond. This is what is trending. This is what everybody needs to know how to be able to have next. We have been waiting for this day and it has come. A lot of persons voted on my WhatsApp channel that they want to see me talk about, teach how I'm able to create AI videos. So this is the opportunity. Please copy the link and share on your status, share on your Facebook. Copy the link and share, please. Copy the link and share. We are about to start. We just have 24 persons who are live. We have over 600 and something persons on the group. Please copy and share. Copy and share. We are about to start. This is one of the trainings I did have because I don't hold back anything. I like to share every of my knowledge that I have, and if you stay to the end, I am going to show you one of my most secret chat GPT prompt that you can use to write script. If you stay to the end of the class, I'm going to be unleashing a whole lot of informations, a whole lot of informations for you guys. Please click on the link, copy the link, and share to invite your loved ones. Let me just give you a few minutes before we get started. We just have 25 persons who are live already. Please let's do that. Let's do that so that we can start. Okay. I can see favor. I see a lot of persons who have joined already. Okay. So we have 29 persons. We just have few minutes. Please copy the link, copy the link, copy the link, and share. Invite your friends. We are about to start. We are going to learn how you can be able to use AI to create videos, how you can be able to make money with AI. We are about to start. Please copy the link and send to your loved ones. Please copy the link and send, please. I am waiting for you guys. Once it takes, I'm just giving 10 minutes for us to start. We are starting. Please make sure you come with your writing materials. I'm going to be sharing a lot of tools. I'm going to be sharing a lot of hacks that you can use these particular tools. Please invite persons. Once you just get to 50, I am going to start. Once you get to 50, I am going to start. Please copy and invite people, please. I am you can hear me, let me know. We are 35 persons live already. If you can hear me, please let me know if you can hear me. So tonight we'll be talking about how you can be able to create hyper realistic AI videos, the kind of videos you need to be creating, and how you can make money from it. If you can still hear me, please let me know on the chat section. Just signal me hi, or give me a thumbs up if you can hear me in the chat section, please. If you can hear me, let me know. Okay, so this tonight class is going to be practical. It's going to be practical based. So I expect every one of us to have their writing materials with them. So this night, this particular class is being sponsored by Digital Drive. If you are joining us the first time, please do us a favor to be able to click on the subscribe button channel YouTube channels. I don't really pay attention to my personal channels. I focus mostly on my business channels and the ones I handle for businesses. But for now, I'm going to be dropping valuable content for you guys. So click on the subscribe button and leave notification bell. So in tonight's class is being sponsored by Digital Drive Academy. We're going to be talking about how you can be able to leverage artificial intelligence, how you can make money with your AI videos. You are going to be learning different AI tools that you are going to be needing, and the reason why we are even going faceless. So, who is talking to you? My name is Njasi Chiabuotu, and I specialize in helping ordinary people like me and you break into the tech world using non-tech skills. I understand that a lot of persons don't have a tech skills. I understand some persons don't understand coding. Some persons don't understand what, because most times when I write ChatGPT prompt, I write image prompt or video prompt, injection prompt, a lot of people get. So if you're that kind of person that falls into that category, or you feel like this type of a thing is not for you, this is something that you can do that will start fetching you money from 2025 to beyond. So I help you to create an income using AI videos. I'm going to teach you how to write a good prompting for your videos, for your images and the rest. And I'm also going to help you to build a custom GPT. This is what you are going to be learning tonight. And at the end of the day, I am going to show you my secret weapon of how I've been able to use AI to create to get high paying clients. So if you watch to the end, you are going to go home with all these things. I have special gift for people who will watch the end of the day. So if you are here, please stick around. We are about to get started. Please, we are about to get started. Let us jump start for a minute, copy the link and share on our WhatsApp status for people to join. So we are about to start. So I have over 35 persons here live watching me. So let's just get started already. You know who I am. So this is the big idea. You can monetize it. A lot of persons have this particular. Now I almost got discouraged by one of the gurus who were telling me to monetize, you cannot monetize videos. Had it been I took that particular advice, I would have been struggling on how to navigate this now. But currently now, a lot of channels have monetized, a lot of persons are making money from the skills, and that is one of the reasons why I love video creation, especially. Remember, there is difference between an AI, there is difference between a video editor and a video creator. The difference is that an editor might not be the person creating the video. You understand? Somebody can create a video and send to you and you edit. But a video creator is someone who creates the video and who edits it. So I am going to show you how you doing this. So why we are using AI is that first of all, it is speed. The time you use as a business owner, the time that people use to start shooting content, looking for models, so AI is going to help you speed up your video creation process. I could imagine one time how they should work the way that changed. The way that changed, we have to cancel the shoot. Imagine something that has an emergency and you need to shoot. These are the barriers that AI has come to preach for us. That is it. Next one is that it is scalable. You can own a multiple channels, you can own multiple YouTube channels, you can own multiple social media accounts without even bother about anything because most times you are not the one on the surface, you're not showing your face. But most times, even if you decide to show your face, you can transform your face into different characters. You can show a real part of yourself, you can show a cartoon part of yourself, you can owning different narratives, owning different channels that makes you money. And the thing is that you don't even need crew members, they need the camera, and you don't even need a long-term training. Just know what to do, which tool to use, and you are good to go. Because these days, clients cares only about the result. If you're able to get them the results, and AI is going to help you deliver these things faster. I have worked with a lot of clients, mostly people who are foreign clients. If you're able to give this particular result, they don't care if it's AI. Gone are those days where people used to struggle with this AI image and they will tell you, ah, they will not watch or they will not engage. Currently now, statistically, AI videos has more reach, has more engagement other than normal real human images or real human videos. But the problem is that AI is not done without system. Systems, it follows systems. So if you understand the systems, if you don't understand the tools to use, you don't know how to command AI, you are going to struggle a lot. You are going to struggle a lot. So that is what brings us video prompt engineering. This is video prompt engineering. You cannot do anything. Yeah, I could just easily jump this particular process and teach you guys how to make AI videos. But if you don't understand how these videos are being created, how then are you going to make money with it? So there are four components every AI realistic video prompt should follow. That is what most persons miss. So the first one is your scene description. Most persons don't even know how to do that. You have to describe your scene, you have to describe your environment, how you want. That is one of the things that makes your video looks real. A lot of persons have been following me to see my videos and asking me how do you manage to get your images, your videos to be real. These are the components that you need to follow. This, if you can hear me, let me just type hi, just give me a thumbs up. Let me know if you can hear me on the comment section, please. If you can still hear me. So these are the four components of every AI realistic image or videos follow. First of all, it has a screen description or your subject description. You must describe your subject. You must describe your environment. If you want to be a black lady, if you want to be if you want to be a model, all these things have to be included inside your prompt. Outside that, the next thing is your camera parameters. It has to do with camera angles. Camera angles. A lot of persons don't understand what is the impact or why you need a camera angle. Let me just show you an example. Let's say you want to capture a particular environment. We use white shot as an example. We use white shot as in the prompt to describe it as a white shot capturing the whole environment. Then when you are trying to show a moody setting whereby the let's say the model or the character is crying, is happy, is laughing, you use a close-up shot so that the AI will know that it has to focus on the character's face. These are the things that a whole lot of persons don't understand. It has to follow a camera parameters which has to do with the camera angle. The next one is motion and action. This is what we call camera movement. This is camera movement. You should be able to understand your camera movement, how the camera should move. Should it move from up to down? Should it move from left to right? Should it move down to up? All these things makes your videos look hyper realistic. In case you are using AI to create videos for model, you want to use it to create movies and lyrics, these are the components that should be included in your prompt. Okay, so can you guys hear me? Who can still hear me? If you can hear me, just type go on the comment section. Let me know how many persons who are still following me before I proceed. Just type go on, right on. Let me know how many persons who are following me. So you see the components. First one is scene description, camera parameters, motion and action, and the last one is lighting and atmosphere. Lighting and atmosphere. You must be able to describe your lighting. Is it indoors? Is it taking? Is the movie or the particular thing happens in the morning? That is in the morning, or there's what we call golden hour. Golden hour when it comes to creating videos or taking pictures the normal way we have to do with from 9 to 10 in the morning, 4 to 5 in the evening. Those are golden hours. Those are times before the sunset and before the sunrise and the sunset. So those things, if you input all these things in your prompt, it is going to give you something realistic. And these are the types of prompting that we use when it comes to video prompting. This is not like image prompting. Ask ChatGPT to have to tell you 30 different content IDs. This is specifically video content creation, and we want to create everything to be hyper realistic so that when people see this particular thing, it will be very hard for them to believe that it was AI generated. So the best prompt method that you can use for this is called JSON prompt and timeline prompting. Don't worry, I'm going to detail down how I'm going to describe how you can be able to do this, as you can be able to use this and differentiate to when to use and when. So if you can hear me, please type JSON prompt on the comment section. Type JSON prompt on the chat section. Let me know. So I said the two types of prompting when it comes to video creation is JSON prompt and timeline prompting. If someone can hear me, please type JSON prompt and timeline prompting on the chat section. Let me know how many persons who can't hear me. So the two different types of prompting when it comes to video is JSON prompt. So this is JSON prompt. JSON, I don't really understand what JSON means. JSON is a JavaScript objection notation. That is the full meaning of JSON. A whole lot of persons are always confused when it comes to JSON. Not be confused. To I'm going to show you how this is being used. I hope somebody say it looks like a programming and the Rex. Okay. Instead of writing paragraph like the way a lot of persons write, interpret it correctly. With JSON style of prompting, you are organizing instructions the way the model actually processes them, the way they are being trained. It is like filming out of form versus explaining what you want in a rambling email. The reason why we use JSON prompt is this. Every AI model is being trained with a line of code. Every AI model is being trained with a line of code. So using JSON prompt is like using how this particular AI is being trained. If you can look at the samples, you can see this is samples we have on the screen, on the video, on the image on the screen already. You will see this is how Most of these large language models are being trained. So you are using the model that are being trained to talk to them and they understand it better. So I'm giving you guys the template on how you can be able to write or to come up with a section prompt idea. If you are there, you can screenshot to get this out on yourself. So this is the template that we have here. I'll make sure that I'll make sure that this particular template or the slides for this particular thing is made available. So I'm giving time for people to screenshot that we can proceed. Okay. So this is the template we use for JSON podcast. This is the subject, the environment, your object one, object two, object three. In case you want to include 3 characters on your video. Okay, someone says my screen is not clear. Let's take a little time, refresh, come back. It is clearer now. Okay, so the first one is the same. You have to describe your subject, describe the environment, your object, then the camera angles, then the lighting. Just like we have said before earlier on the components of AI. On rejection prompting, this is the template that you use when it comes to rejection prompting. And this is an example of rejection prompt. Look at this particular example. See the subject, elderly craftsman in a workshop. The environment is a cluttered wooden workbench with tools. The objects are vintage handsaw, wood shaving, then the composition is a medium shot composition, medium shot, and rule of third. So if you go on to this place, you are going to see this is the video. I hope I could be able to play this particular video so that you guys can see how this looks like. Let me just look for a way to play this so that you guys will see how this sample really looks like. Look at what we have here. This is what we have here. I'm trying to play this video so you guys can see. So if you can see from here now, if you can see from here, we have the results already. This is the result we have here now from this particular sample of prompts. This is what we have here, and this follows strictly your instructions if you are using JSON prompt. But there are times you need timeline prompting. So this timeline prompting, the difference is that you have to describe what happens, when it happens, and how it is being filmed by seconds. The reason why we use timeline prompting, it allows you to keep a consistent character as the first thing. Also allows you to control your shot and camera motion, which is camera movement. It enables direct spacing per second and build full cinematic sequence. Most times, people ask me, why don't we just have AI tool that can just create 1 minute video, 8 minutes video at a stretch? It is not done that way. Even normal movies are not being created that way. It's being created, movies are created scene by scene. So that when a particular scene is being dropped and the actors didn't perform up to the expectation of the director, it can be reshoot. You can redo it. So imagine you did a full 8 minutes video and most of these AI that charges in dollars deducted this particular credit from your tool and you find out almost like 8 scenes or almost all the scenes were bad. How are you going to do it? That is why it is advisable to use timeline prompting to be able to control all the scenes that you have on your screen. So this is an example of a timeline prompting. It looks like we have close-up of a meta schema, dummy to parchment map, wide shot That means it can start as a closed-up shot, and when the character or the subject or the model is about to move, it turns to a wide shot. That is one of the reasons why, if you see most of these AI videos, it looks very cinematic. It starts from close up here, showing the person's face, the character's face, draw up a little, start showing, to go to show the full body. Using timeline prompting is going to help you achieve a very seamless and cinematic AI video. So these are you should use, which I use. These are my prompts, my best prompts here. These are my best AI tools. So the first one you see on your screen is ChatGPT, the other one is Gemini Pro, the next one is Canva Pro, the fourth one is Click AI, we have Pilot AI, we have 2.1, we have 11 Labs, we have ClipChamp, and we have a CapCut Pro, and we have Suno AI. Sorry that I was a typo that you are seeing Sunday AI. This is Suno AI. So I'm about to show you guys how or what you need these particular tools and when to use them. So ChatGPT is my best tool. Let me just come to you guys.